DeWalt ToughSystem 2.0 tool storage solution. All of them are prone to a design flaw of the hinges. So here is the box with a defect. The hinges are cleverly designed to have the lid not fall on your hands when you're opening the box by means of a groove and a tab system on each hinge. So there is a tab, that thing, and there is a groove, this right here. Two of them. A groove right there, and a tab right here. So that's the tab, that's the groove. So as the lid closes, this tab kind of pushes on the lip of the groove, preventing the lid from falling right away. And it catches slightly the tab. However, if the groove and the tab are just a little bit misaligned, they start rubbing on each other. And rubbing becomes serious pushing when this tab catches the lip of the groove, like so. Oops, what happened? It just broke. So basically this is the second box that I have this happened on. I have called DeWalt about this, and they have, sorry about the shaking, doing this with one hand, they have sent me a replacement. And I'll show you what the replacement solution looks like. And this is with the lid closed. See, that's the broken one right here that I showed you. So it basically just broke the lip of the groove completely. See, is it broken? That one is intact. That one is broken, and that's the shavings that come off the tab rubbing on the lip of the groove. And here's the same thing. See, there's rubbing marks on this lip of this groove. Basically what the DeWalt's replacement solution has is the following. So here's the groove, here's the tab, here's the tab, here's the groove. They just cut this groove's lip off completely, and they did that on both sides. So see, a groove intact, the lip groove intact, the lip of the groove shaved off. So all of these boxes, the DS165, the DS300, the DS400, so the small toolbox, all of this, I mean the entire tool line, the ToughSystem 2.0 has the same latch hinge system, and therefore all the hinges are prone to this. So therefore DeWalt, short of doing a total recall on the entire product line, must have decided that cutting a piece and sacrificing a bit of lid stability is fine, because for example here the lid doesn't fall like that. See, it stays. Yeah, it doesn't fall like that easy. Here the replacement, there we go. Anyway, so that little booger, this little breakage right here, the entire line, doesn't matter what you have, check it out. If you have a medium toolbox, if you have a small toolbox, if you have a large toolbox, if you have a large rolling toolbox of the ToughSystem 2.0, you should probably have that defect in there. Check it out.